Tampa Bay Solar is a veteran-owned small business and a Central Florida solar company committed to providing reliable solar power services. Our team has established a track record of success installing solar panels throughout Central Florida and providing customers fair prices, quality solar products with over 500 installs in the last 8 years. Tampa Bay Solar puts veterans to work from all service branches to work on your roof. We focus on quality. Our goal is to provide smart solar solutions that empower customers to gain energy independence. Our installs go in right and on time, which is why we have a great reputation as a Central Florida solar company. We service the entire area. Suncoast Federal Unit, Duke Energy, Pasco County Schools are just a few of our well-known customers in the region. Take control of your energy costs with Tampa Bay Solar and increase the value of your home with a smart solar solution. Our prices are fair and competitive. We back most systems with a 10-year warranty. When you buy from us, you become part of our family. Go with Tampa Bay Solar, your premier Central Florida solar company. Let us help you generate your own clean energy. Our name is our website, tampabaysolar.com, or call 813-398-3687 today.